Look no further than the 2020 Nissan Altima. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Get all the features you want and need in this multi-talented Altima. Spacious comfort, active safety tech and connectivity, flexible layout, athletic performance, and available all-wheel drive set the stage for a confident and highly enjoyable driving experience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, power driver's seat, electronic stability control, traction control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system. Sacrifice nothing. This Altima has it all. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.